Okay. Car 2's grease dielectric. Remove the control board access cover by extracting 2 screws. Step 2. Disconnect all wire leads and housing, then remove the existing control board. Okay, so the next step is to remove the yellow wire from the connector, which is right there. Then remove the terminal. Cut some insulation wire off, then connect it to the yellow jumper wire, which is right here. Okay, let's do that next. Okay, now remove the LCD display board from new control board if present. Do not install the display board on the unit. The display board must be discarded. Okay. This is the display board right here. Okay, garbage. Now, J2 and J3 terminals. Okay, so the jumper wire is going to go onto here. This is gray to gray. So you have gray, black, and brown. That goes onto these terminals here. Brown, black, and gray. And just to make sure this is on right. Yeah, that's on right. Okay. Now, next thing is to do two-pin connector may need to be removed to accommodate a newer ribbon cable. Just have to put these connectors back on. Right now, insert the foam block, restore power to the unit. Once the cabinet temperatures are displayed on the control panel, touch power and unit on off to turn the unit off. Alright, let's clean up.